looking for a full restoration. I'm going to restore the burners. I'm going to re-enamel the grates in the drip pan. We're going to restore the burner and oven knobs. Polish those bezels or we'll get them plated. This is the inside of the oven as well. So are the oven door glasses. We're going to take those apart. This should actually be chrome plated, but we'll polish it and see how it comes out. This is a Magic Chef 1950s full restoration. We did chip repair on the stove top. These were double drip pans were enameled, the grates were enameled, the burners were restored. We completely rebuilt the clock and the lighting system and restored everything you see up here. These lights are for the oven. And everything was restored, the chrome, and this is the inside of the oven. The door glass was cracked, so we had glass made. And the ovens, if you can hear it, they light automatically based off the pilot. And you just turn them off. And all the burners light as well.
Stove lady, save my stove.